Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick project share for Christmas. So here we have a hot cocoa slider. It's basically your holiday card, and what you do is when you tie it up on here with a candy cane, you pull it up and it slides your choice of hot cocoa packets, which I have the Swiss Miss. And then on the back it has your greeting, so you can go ahead and write your sentiments and your wishes for people. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I went about making the hot cocoa slider. So I went to the Dollar Tree and they have a variety of these, and I bought a stack of these cards, so they're really inexpensive and easy to make. And what you're going to just do is cut this in half, put this as your back, okay? This will be your back and this will be your front. And with that being said, I prepped one already, so this will be the inside. So what you're going to do is put either hot glue it or use a wet glue, but here I have a double-sided tape that I'm going to go ahead and just peel the backing off like so. Okay, and then I want to make sure that my top and this top are facing the same direction, because you don't want to have it upside down, and you just want to go ahead and press on that crease. So I might have gone ahead and cut a little bit over, so what I'll just do is I'll just cut along the line here. Let's see here, should be fine, but no, okay. So that's that. And then what you want to do is go ahead and use your hole puncher and just look for the middle of it. So I know like the O is the middle of this, and just right above that you just punch that out, okay? And then I have a thread that measures around I think it measures 21 inches, and you just want to go ahead and set that. So put one, let's put this one so it's easier. Okay, so you can just thread that through the hole, and then you just do this, make sure that it's there, and then you just want to open it. Okay, you're just going to open it, and then hold on, I'm trying to take the other hot cocoa out, and then you're just going to slide the hot cocoa in here. Slide it in there, the front facing you, and as you could see, it's in there, okay? And then what you want to do is with the jute twine or whatever you want to use as your tying, you know, if you want to use ribbons or whichever that you have, but you want it to be enough where you have time to make your loop and your bow, like so. So I'm going to just double bow this. Let's see. Oops. Let's redo that again. Go ahead. Like so. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you take your candy cane and just slide it here. You can put it in the back as well, so that way there's something that's showing also on the back, so it's decorated. And that's that. And then when your whoever receives this, okay, sorry, my camera was moving, then you just pull this up and it slides out the hot cocoa. So I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Bye.